student, in step 2.1, number of cations, they are divalent, they are 10, and the number of anions, they are 1, monovalent. And now the total formulas would be 10 multiplied by 8, that is 80. Now writing the valencies of X and Y as +2 and -1 for step 2.1, and shifting these valencies to X and Y as suffix, you will get x1 y2, that is converted, 1 is not written, that is never written. Okay, you will write x y2. This is the final formula for step 2.1. Okay students, now we are starting our step 2.1, and you know the general formula of step 2.1, that is xy2. Here cations are X and the anions are Y with suffix 2. So for OH, NO3, HCO3 and HSO4, you must have to write it as OH twice, NO3 twice, hydroxide twice, NO3 twice, bicarbonate, HCO3 twice, HSO4 twice. You got this? And the cations will be added here for XY, and this is the general formula of XY. And why we take this 2 is the twice, because 2 is the suffix of Y2. Now come to the first formula, BeF2, beryllium phosphide, BeCl2, beryllium chloride, BeBr2, beryllium bromide, BeI2, beryllium iodide, BeOH twice, beryllium hydroxide, and we have mentioned this earlier, BeNO3 twice, beryllium nitrate, BeHCO3 twice, beryllium bicarbonate, BeHSO4, that is twice, and this is beryllium bisulfate, beryllium bicarbonate, beryllium bisulfate. Now it's time for magnesium, MgF2, magnesium phosphide, MgCl2, magnesium chloride, a well known, MgBr2, magnesium bromide, MgI2, magnesium iodide, MgOH twice, magnesium hydroxide, MgNO3 twice, magnesium nitrate, MgACO3 twice, magnesium bicarbonate, MgHSO4 twice, magnesium bisulfate. Now for calcium, CaF2, calcium fluoride, CaCl2, calcium chloride, again a well known, CaBr2, calcium bromide, CaI2, calcium iodide, CaOH twice, well known, calcium hydroxide, CaNO3 twice, calcium nitrate, CaHCO3 twice, a well-known compound, calcium bicarbonate, CaHSO4 twice. Calcium bisulfate. Now for barium, BaF2, barium fluoride, barium phosphide. BaCl2, barium chloride. Br2, barium bromide. BaI2, barium iodide. BaOH twice, barium hydroxide. BaNO3 twice, barium nitrate. BaHCO3 twice, barium bicarbonate. BaHSO4 twice, this is the last one, barium bisulfate. Okay, for cupric or copper, you will write CuF2, copper fluoride or cupric fluoride. CuCl2, copper chloride. CuBr2, copper bromide. CuI2, copper iodide. CuOH twice, copper hydroxide. CuNO3 twice, copper nitrate. CuHCO3 twice, copper bicarbonate. CuHSO4, copper bisulfate. Okay, now mercuric, HgF2, mercury fluoride or mercuric fluoride. HgCl2, mercuric chloride. HgBr2, mercuric bromide. HgI2, mercuric iodide. HgOH twice, mercuric hydroxide. HgNO3 twice, mercuric nitrate. HgHCO3 twice, mercuric bicarbonate. HgHSO4 twice, mercuric bisulfate. Now for ferrous, you write FeF2, ferrous fluoride. FeCl2, ferrous chloride. FeBr2, ferrous bromide. FeI2, ferrous iodide. FeOH twice, ferrous hydroxide. FeNO3 twice, ferric nitrate. FeHCO3 twice, ferric bicarbonate. Ferrous bicarbonate. FeHSO4, ferrous bisulfate. Okay, for manganese, MnF2, manganese fluoride. MnCl2, manganese chloride. MnBr2, manganese bromide. MnI2, manganese iodide. MnOH twice, manganese hydroxide. MnNO3 twice, manganese nitrate. HCO3 twice. Manganese bicarbonate. And the last one is HSO4 twice. Manganese bisulfate. Okay student, now it's time for zinc. ZnF2 zinc fluoride. ZnCl2 zinc chloride. ZnBr2 zinc bromide. ZnI2 zinc iodide. ZnOH twice zinc hydroxide. ZnNO3 twice zinc nitrate. ZnHCO3 twice zinc bicarbonate. ZnHSO4 twice zinc bisulfate. Now stannous SnF2 stannous fluoride. SnCl2 stannous chloride. SnBr2 stannous bromide. SnI2 stannous iodide. SnOH twice stannous hydroxide. SnNO3 twice stannous nitrate. SnHCO3 twice stannous bicarbonate. SnHSO4 twice stannous bisulfate. So this is the completion of step 2.1. Here it is completed, and in the next video we will start with the step 2.3.